What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And guys, we finally got this in the mail. I think everybody knows what it is by now. I think this thing came from China because it was supposed to come on the 10th, and it's finally here. Yep, it's here. So as you know, I got myself in to collecting Bray Wyatt cards. So I got the Fiend one back in the day. I got the Wyatt family versus John Cena and the Usos. And I got from like 2023. I got from like 2019. So I got So I got the Wyatt family days. I got the Fiend days. I got the Broken Matt Hardy and Bray days. And now we finally have 2022 Bray in all of its glory with the lantern right there. It says, in a roster full of colorful personalities, Bray Wyatt is most memorable of them all. From the dark overtones of the Fiend to the wildest and wacky antics of the Firefly Funhouse, no one ever knows what this indestructible superstar is going to do next, which makes his every appearance a much-watched event. So I got Elite Bray Wyatt trading card from the 2023 premium set. So, yeah. So now I have what? All of the cards from his career now, including this one from Survivor Series when he took on Daniel Bryan in the red light so you can barely see it. My bad. But I got the Fiend from 2019, even though this came out in 2023, but this came out like, I think 2020, because that's the strap from the from the Royal Rumble 2020. This came from California, actually, so I don't know why it took so long to get. We got the 2019 card, but this is from 2014. 20 years of SmackDown with the Wyatt family, the original Wyatt family. We got Bray Wyatt from 2018 with the Fireflies. But we got the Fiend in 2019 at Survivor Series. So this is the last card I need. Finally. And it does not look like the Wyatt 6 logo on his shirt, though. I think it does. And the smoke just on the light, it just reflects it. I think that's cool. So I got all the Bray Wyatt cards I need now. So, yeah. I am very happy to finally own all these Bray Wyatt cards. They will be in the collection forever. So, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings. As you know, man, do it for Bray. Just follow the YouTube buzzards. That, my friends, is absolutely wonderful. So, guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know, and I'm out. Peace.